Now let's continue with problem number 16. On problem number 16, it asks, which is the first incorrect step? I want you guys to be careful. It says the first. There might be more than one incorrect step, but you need to be able to find the first incorrect step. And many of you guys, as soon as you guys see this, you guys say, oh, 0 plus 2 is not 3. So step 3. That's not correct. You want to be able to find the first incorrect step. So you need to be able to analyze step by step. That's not correct. That's not the answer. So first, how did they get from here to here? They expanded it. If there's a multiplication, what should be in between? A plus, correct. So that step is correct. Now, how did they end up with 0? So this cancels, but we are left with the exponent of 1. We should have a 1 in here. Now, log base 4 is 16. We can simplify this as the log base 4. The 16 will change to the 4 to the second power. That cancels, so that is correct. So step 2 is incorrect because the 0 should have been a 1. Just be careful not to just catch the simple mistake. Go through and make sure that each step is done correctly and then find the first incorrect step. Number 17 deals with the properties of logs. There's a multiplication in between, so we need to be able to find something that's equivalent. Remember that we don't have a property when they're multiplying. If we do the change of base property, this, if we work backwards, this will be log. The 25 is the big 25, the 6 becomes the base. It's not the same. Those two expressions are equivalent. This is not the same as this. If there's multiplication, it should be an addition in between. So that should be an easy question. Some of you guys have difficulty understanding your change of base formula. So concentrate on that as well. Number 18. I want to be able to solve for x. It says, what is the value of x? I want to be able to cancel the log. So the opposite of a log is a base. That will cancel this out. Now I have x is equal to 8 to the negative 2. What happens when I have a negative exponent? It goes into the denominator. So it'll be 1 over 8 squared, which is 1 over 64. Your answer is letter A. Number 19, very similar problem. I want to be able to solve using approximation. I want to get rid of the log. So I want to do an exponent, a base. I'm going to exponentiate of base 7. That will cancel out. So I have 17 is equal to 7 to the y power. So 7 to y exponent is equal to 17. I know that 7 to the 0 is equal to 1. That's too small. I need to get 17. 7 to the first power is 7. That's too small. 7 to the second power is 7 times 7 is 49. That's too big. So 17 is between 7 and 49. Therefore, the exponent for the y has to be between 1 and 2. The number between 1 and 2 is 1.5. Number 20. Last problem. Which of the following is simplified form of the expression? If you guys notice, they only have one log. We need to be able to condense it. We have 3 logs. They're going to become 1, log base 3. These 2 logs are added, so we're going to multiply the 8, multiply by the 7. This log is dividing, with the minus in between, so we're going to divide by 2. Let's go and simplify. 8 times 7 is 56. 56 divided by 2 is 28. So your answer will be A. I hope this was helpful. Please email me if you have any questions or come on before school, and I'll be here early to answer any questions you may have. Have a great day, and thanks for taking the time to go over some of the answers.